हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, एक क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. देखिए राइट, इस क्वेश्चन में क्या है, अ पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव पॉइंट चार्ज और इक्वल मैग्नीट्यूड आर केप्ट एट दिस रिस्पेक्टिवली. द वर्क डन बाय इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड व्हेन अनदर पॉजिटिव पॉइंट चार्ज is moved for from this to this. This is nothing, moved from this to this, right? So let us first make the diagram. Okay, so I'm making the diagram here. So let us see, this is your x axis, and let us call this is your y axis, and this becomes your z axis, let us assume. Okay, so on z axis the charge is kept c, right? Equal magnitude are kept at this. Right, mind it, this is also A and this is also A, है ना? So A by 2. So let us take, this is your A by 2. So here suppose plus Q charge is kept, and here suppose this is minus A by 2. So here charge is kept, right, minus Q. Okay, right, this is given. Now saying the work done by electric field when another positive charge is moved from this to this, and here the magnitude is same, so Q and minus Q, right? Now it is saying minus A to this, so minus A comma 0, it will be on x axis. So this I have taken x and this I have taken y, and this is your z axis. So charges are kept on z axis, and it is being moved from minus A. So let us take, this is your minus A, and this I am taking at A here. Okay, and some charge. So let us take the charge is Q. So Q is being moved from here to here. So now we need to find the work done by electric field. So as you all of you know, the work done by electric field, so this is the figure that is given in the question, right? So let us see work done by electric field. Electric field is nothing but initial potential energy minus final potential energy. So let us take this point, right? So I am taking this point as 1 and this point I am taking as 2. I mean the minus A is, I am taking the point as 1, position 1 you can say, and minus 2 is taken as position 2, right? So I can say here potential energy at 1 minus potential energy at 2. Okay, now you can see, right, when the charge is at point Q, or the charge is as point, right, if the charge is as point Q, the distance of charge from both these things are same, or you can say that both the positions are symmetrical, right? Right, with respect to the charge plus Q and minus Q, right, the position of a small q is symmetrical at 1 also and 2 also. So due to symmetricity, the distance of plus q at both the positions will be same with respect to plus q and minus q. So the potential energy will also be same at 1 and 2. So I can say the U1 will be equal to U2. I can say here U1 is equal to U2 due to symmetricity. Okay. So if the U2, right, if U1 and U2 is equal, so this becomes work done by electric field will be 0. So you can see which option is coming, C. Okay students, I hope you understood this question.